let's make one of my favorite healthy and delicious tea. What I'm gonna start with here is rosemary. So I'm just gonna use about 2 pieces, and I'm gonna use a apple. Let's start with the apple, why you should use it to make a drink or a tea. Apple help to lower your cholesterol, and it's also help with your digestive system. It's also help support your immune system, and it's packed with antioxidant. So this rosemary here, rosemary is very healthy. Even the oil is good for cold, it's good for flu, it's good for joint pain, and it's good for respiratory diseases. Also, it's good for infection, and also it's a good natural antiseptic. So what I'm gonna do, go ahead and chop this up. You don't need to move the pips. Gonna add the rosemary in. I'm adding about 2.5 cups of water. So I'm gonna let this boil for about a good 5 minutes. As you can see now, the apple getting really soft. So the tea is ready. Make sure you have one of this or a strainer. Just put it in like this. So with this, you can choose to put a bit of lemon in it or honey, or it's personal preference. So this morning, I'm gonna have this with a little bit of honey. If this video is any help to anyone watching this video, thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave positive comment.